for the trophy. Does this mean something for you?
Yes, I think for me, I think for the team, because without the team we cannot win nothing, and I'm very happy for the trophy, and we hope to score more nice goal and to help the team.
Okay. And there's something strange about you. You have 7 goals total. In 6 of these goals, you succeed these 6 goals on Mondays. Is there any explanation for that?
No, because we play Monday. We don't have any. We play all the Monday because.
Yes, but you have 13 games until now, and you played only for 6 Mondays. So you were scoring on Mondays.
I like the Monday, but now we have to start to score the other day. I think we have now a very important game, and I hope we try to do our best to score more goals and to help the team.
Okay, and something that we are trying to get the title. This is a very difficult effort because never in the history of Cypriot football a team managed to do that, to play in Europe and manage to get the title in Cyprus. And what do you, I want your comment about
we try to don't think about this. We try to play game by game. Doesn't matter who is against who. We try to do our best every game. We try to win. Now we are there in the first position, but this year will be very difficult because we play the playoff, we play 4 games more, and for sure all the big teams will be there, and I think it will be very difficult, but we try to do our best always.
The big number of the games?
We played, yes, too many games this year, but this is not an excuse. We are professional, and we have to go in front, and whatever game coming, we have to do our best.
Thanks a lot.